To register for an account with Coverdrone, you will firstly need to select the Get a Quote option in the top right hand corner of your screen. 4 options will then appear and you will need to select the option Drone Insurance. You are firstly required to fill out the form as indicated. If you are utilising the drone for a commercial benefit, then you will need to select a commercial policy. However, if you are using the drone as a hobby, then you will need to select a recreational policy. For the purpose of this video, I am going to select commercial. Once you have selected the commercial option, you will then be asked to input your business name. It is essential that your business name matches exactly with the business name stated on your operation manual, as this will be submitted to aviation authorities. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the answer no for the training and experience questions. However, please answer these as relevant to yourself. You will then be asked about your introducer. This is an optional question, however, it is helpful to know which training centre you have been introduced through. Once you have clicked Confirm Registration, you are then registered for an account with Coverdrone. You will be taken through to the next page of your quotation, which you can choose to continue with, or alternatively, you can come back to your account at a later point to complete. In order to do this, click the My Account button on the top right hand corner of the screen. You will then be taken to a page which shows you your ongoing quotes and policies. As you can see here, any pending quotes will show at the top of the page with the option to click Continue. This takes you back to where you left off. There are other options to edit your account details, change your password, or alternatively log out. Once registered, you will receive 2 emails from us. The first one will be a welcome email, which provides you with both your Terms of Business and Privacy Policy and Aviation Authority forms. Both of the attachments can be found in the top left-hand corner of the email. The second email that you will receive is the details of your username and also a link for you to change your password. If you click the link, Take Me to My Account, you'll be able to input your personal password. The following screen will appear which prompts you to set a new password. Once this has been set, you will be taken into your account.